So using artificial intelligence in any kind of setting that involves medical imaging or medical data can always lead to privacy concerns that may get us stuck easily in bureaucratic bottlenecks or these kind of problems. In ODELIA, one of the things that we're trying to do is to address this problem by using what it's called swarm learning, which is a form of distributed learning that ensures data privacy just by leaving the data where it is. So the data will never exit the hospitals it belongs to, but it will be just kept there and the models will be trained in a distributed way. And from the other side, on the more technical point of view, we are using convolutional neural networks, which are a kind of AI algorithm that has cognition-like features, and it's able to detect specific patterns in the images as a human eye would do. So AI has just arrived in the medical field. We are just seeing its first results, but it has some pretty promising approaches already. And I foresee the future of AI in the following 5 or 10 years as a tool that the doctors and the clinicians will use, but always with some human criteria involved. So it will never be a substitute for a professional, but always a tool to help them do their research or perform their diagnosis. So I think the ODELIA project is a really interesting opportunity for all the involved partners to test something that has never been done before, which is this idea of the distributed training being a reality for medical imaging approaches. Europe has a really good thing, which is its data privacy regulation policies, which ensure patients' privacy to be kept and their rights to be protected. But at the same time, this is something that sometimes can slow down the research when you compare it with other countries. In this sense, I feel like it's a very good thing that we are starting to build some projects that make sure data privacy is ensured, whereas the AI development and the algorithms training and the whole research pipeline, it's not slowed down. One of the main contributions of ODELIA is not only testing these kind of approaches on real-world data in Europe, but also developing a whole open access repository that allows any researcher at any place in the world to be able to implement these kind of solutions for free, which is something that was never a possibility before, mainly because all the software related to this kind of projects is in private companies right now. So being able to develop an open access solution for this is a really great contribution to worldwide research.